Did you know that what you do in the first 90 minutes of your day could be the difference between reversing your type 2 diabetes or stuck in the cycle of blood sugar spikes, fatigue, and taking medications for your diabetes? Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic physician from US with advanced training in functional medicine. I have seen several people with either pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes trying to get control of their sugar by following very restrictive diets or taking a lot of supplements. But what they miss in their daily routine is the first 90 minutes of your morning. Research says that starting your morning in a proper way can help you control your diabetes and improve your blood sugar levels instantly. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you the exact morning routine that I give to my patients to help them improve their blood sugar levels. And this routine is backed by science, my own clinical experience, and more importantly, real results for my clients. And stick till the end because I'm going to share with you this anti-diabetes tea recipe that has helped hundreds of my patients to improve their blood sugar levels as well as reduce inflammation in their body. Now let's first understand why proper morning routine is so important for people with pre-diabetes or diabetes. The reason being your body is waking up, your metabolic machinery is also waking up, and along with this, as your body is waking up, your pancreas also start waking up and start secreting insulin. Now, if you give the right nutrients to your pancreas and to your body, then this insulin sensitivity improves in the morning and also your insulin levels improve so that your blood sugar levels stabilizes throughout the day. Plus, it is very important to support your body with antioxidants that lower inflammation in your body because in majority of the diabetes patients, inflammation levels are high in the morning and they do not let your insulin to work on your cells and causes insulin resistance. So that's the reason starting your morning properly is very important. Now let me tell you exactly this morning routine that you need to follow. Now the first thing as soon as you wake up in the morning is we need to improve this insulin sensitivity and also reduce inflammation in the body. And this is where this metabolic reset drink or tea in the morning is going to be very useful. So how to make this medicinal tea or medicinal water in the morning? For this you need some Ceylon cinnamon, you need some coriander seed powder, you need fenugreek seed powder, and also a little bit of ginger. Now let me tell you why these ingredients are important. Ceylon cinnamon improves the metabolic machinery of your body and makes your body more sensitive to insulin. Coriander seeds also improve blood sugar levels and they also inhibit an alpha amylase enzyme in your body which is responsible for maintaining proper blood sugar levels. Plus coriander seeds supports your gut health by improving your digestion in the morning. Then comes the fenugreek seed powder. Again, research shows that fenugreek seed extract helps improve insulin sensitivity, can actually improve your blood sugar levels significantly. So that's the reason we are using all of these ingredients so that we can start the process of improving your blood sugar levels. How to make this medicinal water? For this you need 1 cup of warm water. In this 1 cup of warm water you add 1/4 teaspoons of coriander seed powder, then you add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seed powder and 1/4 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder, and then you let it seep for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After it has seeped for 5 to 10 minutes, then you drink this whole medicinal tea slowly. So this morning tea is going to set the stage of improving your metabolic machinery and improving your insulin levels plus improving your blood sugar. Now the next thing you need to do is that you need to do some body movement, and we are talking about some glucose clearing body movement. Because whatever glucose has been stored in your body over the course of night, you need to clear up this in the morning, and that's where this body movement is going to be very useful. I'm not talking about going for a run or going to a gym or doing extensive exercising. Just 10 to 15 minutes of body movement will be very important. Now, a specific thing to remember in this kind of body movement is that you need to use your muscles because muscles are metabolic organ of your body. Whenever you're doing exercising for your muscles, it activates something called GLUT4 transporters in your muscles. And this helps absorption of glucose directly inside your cells without needing insulin. insulin. And that's the reason I call them glucose clearing exercises in the morning. For this, you can do some squats, you can do some push-ups, you can do some planks, and if you're into yoga, then you can do some sun salutation exercises. Now remember, you only need 10 to 15 minutes of these kind of exercising so you can activate the GLUT4 receptors in your muscles. Now once you're done with your morning exercising, this is a time to take some break and do some relaxation activities like deep breathing exercises or maybe meditation. And then the next thing is your breakfast. But I will like you to delay your breakfast as much as possible and try to follow intermittent fasting of between 12 to 14 hours. What that means is that from the last meal of your previous night, you need to count at least 12 to 14 hours and then eat your breakfast. The reason being, intermittent fasting is really good for improving your blood sugar levels and also improving your inflammation levels. Now let's talk about your breakfast. Your breakfast should be high protein content breakfast and low carbohydrate breakfast. And along with this breakfast, I would like you to sip this anti-inflammatory tea and not your regular coffee or tea, because this anti-inflammatory tea works really great with your breakfast and will again boost your metabolism and improve your blood sugar levels. How to make this anti-inflammatory tea? It is very easy. Again, you warm up 1 cup of water, you add half a teaspoon of ginger powder into it, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, sprinkle a little bit of black pepper and squeeze in half a lemon or lime into it. And that's it. This tea is ready. This is going to boost your metabolism, reduce inflammation, as well as help in detoxification with your body. Now have this tea with your morning breakfast. What are your options for your breakfast? The best breakfast will be a high protein breakfast where you can eat 2 boiled eggs, and along with that you can have some sauteed vegetables. Try to stay away from carbohydrates like breads or rice in the morning with your breakfast. If you're a vegan or a vegetarian, you can do an overnight chia flax pudding. For that, basically you can just soak your chia seeds overnight along with some flax seeds, add some almonds and walnuts into it, and then sprinkle some cinnamon, and then you can add some sweetener called stevia just to sweeten it a little bit. So this low carb, high protein breakfast along with the anti-inflammatory tea will keep your metabolism high during the whole day and will keep your sugar stable. So you see, this particular morning routine helps your body to improve your sugar levels and help you control your diabetes in a real simple manner. Type 2 diabetes is not a lifelong sentence. It's a metabolic miscommunication, and your mornings are the best chance to correct that signal to your body to improve your insulin sensitivity and improve your sugars. Try this morning routine for 7 days and you are going to see your sugars improving, your inflammation levels dropping, your digestion and bloating in your body also improving. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this information with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.